nothing there. Okay, settings. So after this one, you need a screwdriver. Pull these two out. Screw number one, putting it right there. Screw number two, right there. Now you see these ones are connected, so you got to be careful when you're pulling this panel out. You don't want to pull it too hard. So what I did last time was pulled a little bit. You should be hearing it right there somewhere. No, I should pull it up. There you go. One came out. Another one is right there somewhere. So I'm putting my hand there. There you go. It came out. Okay. So I told you. See, you gotta pull it really, really gently. Okay. So the Bluetooth module is, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right there. That's the one. So I got two screws. One right here where you can see it a little bit. Right there. Oh, you cannot see it. Right inside, right there. Take that one out. And then make sure one screws out. Now the second one. Second one, you have to feel it. It's right. It's right there. Somewhere there. You cannot see it. That's okay. I'll show you later. It's coming out. Okay, it's out. Gotta make sure don't lose that screw. Putting it right there. Okay, so now and this one is off. There's two wires, bunch of wires which connected somewhere there. So I'm gonna put the camera down and try to pull these two wires out. Gotta be gentle with it. Number one is out, and now the small one, which I think it's a USB wire kind of thing. It's giving it power probably. There you go. Okay, so this one is out. So the first one was a big one connected right there. The second one was right there. So that's the part number, and this came out of 2013 Dodge Charger SXD. So, and this is the part that I bought today from junkyard. I paid 200 Canadians for it. It came out from I don't know what year, Dodge Journey. So the dealer wanted $517, and it's on eBay for around 350 bucks. I think I got a good deal from junkyard. So that's what it is. Let's see. Connect it. Hopefully you're gonna work. Actually, I'm gonna put the phone down. Oh yeah, you know, there's a, I don't know if you can see. Oh, you probably can see. You see the little pin thing is sticking out from this module? Then very bottom down there where those writings are, that's guiding for the holes. So if you put that, there's a hole in there. If you somehow you see that, let's see, yeah, there, if you put that one in there, and then these other two screws should line up really nicely. Okay, so now it's all good. I noticed that if you try to put this screw right here before you're trying to put that screw, it's a lot easier. So I tied this, and then the second one was a little bit hard because you cannot see. It's right there. Okay, and the last piece goes there somehow. Make sure you put that under this thing right there, and just that's it. All done. Put the screws, this one's back. The flashlight goes back in there. Now let's see. Okay. Phone not connected. Would you like it? Yes.